Usually on Saturday nights, we go live on Instagram with a show called Dowgram Talk with Angel Magyar and Ren Doble. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate how we constructed their set, so stick around. For their couch, I took 2 disposable microwave dishes and figured out where to put an opening at for them to sit. Then I cut my opening so they can sit with their legs through. And when you're done with your opening, it should look like this. Then I took the 2 containers and I put them upside down. So to cover my couch, I used tissue paper. I crumpled it and I cut. Then I went ahead and I glued the crumpled tissue paper onto the couch. Use any kind of glue that you choose. And I continued to do this process until the whole couch was covered in crumpled up tissue paper. So for the backdrop, I purchased a pink binder notebook and I painted the whole notebook in glittery nail polish. It kind of turned out kind of cool like this and kind of wrinkly. Then I got some stickers and I randomly stuck them all over the notebook like so. But I had a problem. I had to cover the clasp of the notebook. So I took an empty paper towel tube and cut a slit in the center, then wrapped it with shimmery gift wrap. Then I took the finished tube and covered the clasp with it. And now our studio is complete. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and catch us on Saturday evening for Dowgram Talk.